Good afternoon to everyone, and today we will learn how to take screenshots on Ubuntu Linux. In principle, this method works in almost any Linux, BEES, Solaris, or even Windows operating system. How is this done? The easiest way is to press the Print Roll button. Here we get a snapshot. We save it to the desktop. Voila! We have saved the picture in the PUF format, so we opened it. So, we will choose that the PUF format is not opened by Firefox, but opened with the help of viewing what to install. Close. So here. There is a screenshot. There is another way. There is such a program in the Riot. It is called a screenshot. Here's an example. We choose to capture the current window, right? We set a timer to do, but he captured something for us, something we will do, right? We are canceling. And the best way, probably, to use it is to select the capture area. Do it yourself. We choose about this note. Desktop. Voila, you got the note. That is, if you want to copy-paste some picture. Yes. So, let's say we write lol. You are too lazy to go stupidly to the site, and you, well, urgently need, for example, a picture in a small size. We do this. Select the capture area, click. Oops, the desktop. We got such a picture, a law school sucker. All this can be edited in GIMP, cut off the excess. We can also do an example, show let's say, well, for example, you are doing some kind of photo instruction there, for example, and we need to show a window that this. Well, you press. It's all clear, right? That is, either you press the print screen button, it is located near the divides button, and pause between them on the keyboard. The IB standard seems to have the same button on the Mac keyboard. Apple Macintosh. This button works, as in the BIOS operating system, I checked. However, there is no pushy format. That is, the same thing in Windows, but in order to do it in Windows as a Riot, we need to either download a third-party application or open a Paint after the print screen button. Click there in the Insert menu, and the screenshot moves to Paint or any other editor. As for Linux, here's Unity and GNOME 3, GNOME 2. Exactly everywhere here is such a way. The CD is even better. There, in this very application, you can still configure in which format to save. Perhaps you can configure it here, but in this program, as you can see, you cannot select this function in the menu. There's nothing in the menu here at all, except about the program. Help about the program. Where you can read all the same things that he told and finish the program. Well, I get it. That is, you can even download the program from CD if you wish. There you can choose the format and the photos will weigh, for example, less. You can save the Jeep. Well, since our hard drives have long since gone from 80 gigabytes, but unless someone has a CZ of 60 gigabytes there are 80 or 120. And now, I have 320 gigabytes on this laptop, and let's say if my picture weighs even 600 kilobytes, it won't bother me much. So I think the pushy format, firstly, there are fewer artifacts in it, like in a Jeep. Secondly, as if there is plenty of space on the hard disk. It's even possible to store it all on some cloud storage. Well, I think everything is clear. Thank you for your attention.